Hello, today's topic is common roots. Let a1 x square plus b1 x plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2 x square plus b2 x plus c2 is equals to 0 be two quadratic equations. Okay, such that a1 and a2 both are non-zero and a1 b2 not equals to a2 b1. Okay, now let alpha be the common root of these two equations. Root of these two equations. Then we can say that a1 alpha square plus b1 alpha plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2 alpha square plus b2 alpha plus c2 is equals to 0. Okay. Now solving these two equations by cross multiplication we get alpha square divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equals to alpha divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 and 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Therefore, this implies that alpha square is equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 and alpha is equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, now eliminating alpha we get, let me change the color here. Okay, now eliminating alpha we get b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square. Okay, now after cross multiplication we get b1 c2 minus b2 c1 multiplied by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square. Okay, this is the required condition for the two equations to have a common root. Okay, and the common root is given by alpha is equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 or P1 C2 minus B2 C1 divided by C1 A2 minus C2 A1. Okay. If the two equations have both roots common, then we can write that A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. If the two equations have both roots common. Now we try to understand this with an example. Okay. If the equations 2x squared plus kx minus 5 is equals to 0 and x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0 have one root in common, then k is equals to what? Okay, so this is the question and we try to solve it. Okay, let alpha be the common root of these two equations. Then we can write that 2 alpha squared plus k alpha minus 5 is equals to 0 and alpha square minus 3 alpha minus 4 is equals to 0. So solving these two equations we get alpha square divided by minus 4k minus 15, and here we get alpha divided by minus 5 plus 8, and here we get 1 by minus 6 minus k. So this implies alpha square is equals to 4k plus 15 divided by k plus 6, and alpha is equals to minus 3 by k plus 6. Okay, therefore this implies that 4k plus 15 divided by k plus 6 is equals to minus 3 by k plus 6 whole square, and this implies 4k plus 15 is multiplied by k plus 6 is equals to 9, and therefore we had a quadratic equation, and after solving this we get k equals to minus 3 or minus 27 by 4. So this is the required value of k. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.